Hello friends, today's topic, market bounces back in 2 months after correction. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. The last 1 week, Indian markets have fallen by around 5%, to the highest weekly fall since June 2022. As per a study done by Samco Securities, when the market opens gap down like on 20th December Friday, the stock markets reacts in a predictable way the next 2 months. The good statistics for all long-term investors to know how market behave after some weakness. Market movement after 1% gap down. Period 1st January 2000 to 19 December 2024, approximately 25 years. 2 weeks after gap down, total instances 106, positive movement 61, percentage 58%, average gain minus 0.2%. 1 month after gap down, 106 occasions, positive movement 71, 61 cut. Percentage times positive 67%, average gains 1.3%. 2 months after gap down, total 106 instances, positive movement 71, percentage of times positive 67%, average gains 2.7%. Now giving you another perspective, the same statistics. Market movement after 1% gap down, period is less 1st April 2020 to 19 December 2024, approximately 4.5 years. 2 weeks after gap down, 40 such instances, positive movement 29, positive number of times 73%, average gains 1.4%. 1 month after gap down, 40 instances, positive movement 30, that is percentage 75 and average gains plus 2.4%. 2 months after gap down, total instances 40, positive movement 33, 83% of the time, and it is average gains is plus 5.4%. Observations and comments. Number 1. Between the period of 1st January 2000 to 19 December 2024, Nifty has given positive returns 67% of the time after 2 months of a 1% gap down in Nifty 50. 2. Also, the average returns after 2 months was 2.7%. 3. Between the period 1st April 2020 and 19 December 2024, since the corona crash, Nifty has given positive returns 83% of the time after 2 months of a 1% gap down in Nifty index. Also, the average returns after 2 months was 5.4%. 4. So the long-term and recent statistics both favor markets to provide positive returns over the next 2 months since there is a gap down opening of more than 1% on 20th December. 5. So as per historical data, markets will regain the 5% fall of the last week in the next 2 months or so. For long-term returns, it is always useful to do some lump sum investing apart from SIP, SEP when markets correct now and then. It may not look beneficial in the short term, but over the period, some additional returns will be earned. The lump sum amount is significantly higher than the SIP, SEP amount. For example, if your SIP amount is rupees 10,000 per month and invest 30,000 to 40,000 or more when there is a correction, then it could help in increasing the percentage returns in the long term. Of course, regular SIP must not be stopped due to correction, etc. SIP should not be stopped unless it is the biggest emergency, since SIP is the amount you can invest comfortably taking into consideration all other commitments. So we should not be giving ourselves an excuse that due to increase in personal expenses, SIP was not possible. Mentally, we must consider SIP as a fixed expenses which we cannot miss at any cost. Only then we will have the required discipline. The end of the video, here is the question. After how many days of non-payment of interest or principal loan on a loan do banks declare an account as NPA? There are 4 choices: A 60 days, B 45 days, C 90 days, D 120 days. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.